Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is first question of its exercise 5.8. So the question says that examine whether the following are polygons. If any one among them is not, say why. So part A. So it's not a polygon because it is not closed figure. B. So B. It is closed by 6 line segments. So हो जाएगा yes. It is a polygon made by 6 line segments. So, and part C is no, because it is not made of line segments. Because of पॉलीगन जो होता है वो लाइन सेगमेंट से मिलकर बनता है और यहाँ पे हमारे पास एक भी लाइन सेगमेंट नहीं है कर्व्ड सरफेस है, so it's not a polygon. And part D is it's also not a polygon because of this curved no because it is not made of line segments. Thank you.